How do I get the file name without the extension from a path in Python? How do I get the file name without the extension from a path in Python?
Getting the name of the file without the extension. Prints. Documentation for os.path.splittext. Important note, if the file name has multiple dots, only the extension after the last one is removed. For example, prints. See other answers below if you need to handle that case.
Use .stem from pathlib in Python 3.4+. Will return. Note that if your file has multiple extensions, .stem will only remove the last extension. For example, pathfile.tar.gz, .stem will return file.tar.
You can make your own width. Important note, if there is more than one dot in the file name, only the last one is removed. For example, see below for other answers that address that.
If you want to see more